Hola Chica, welcome back to Chica Confident TV, your go-to spot to be injected with confidence to go after your passions and turn them into a monetized business. I'm a full-time blogger, my name is Morgan Tyner, and I'm your host. Thanks for coming by, and I look forward to diving right into today's amazing topic, which is how to make money with your online blogging business. What does that look like? So, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys 5 different ways that you can make money online starting today with your blogging platform. The first thing I'm going to say is presets. So you can actually have a subscription to Lightroom, and if you make a really fun quality photo that has a fun design and unique filter special to you, yeah, you can sell that. It's actually a super seamless process once you get the hang of it. I will be totally honest, when I first started it, it took me a few tries to figure out exactly how it worked out, but then I figured it out and it was like clockwork. And guess what? People are gonna be so excited to see that because it's unique color coordination and style that is unique to you. So being able to offer that to others so they can have a fun look to their feed is amazing, and it brings more network back to you because your unique presets are getting shared with their audience as well. So presets with Lightroom are an amazing way to actually make some fun passive income online with your blog. So the second thing I would say is brand sponsorships and partnerships. These definitely come with a little more time involved because, you know, sometimes it takes time for the brands to agree to pay you to work with them. And quite frankly, a lot of brands have gotten burned in the past because bloggers do not take the partnership super seriously and they just kind of dive into it, accept the terms, and then never produce on their end what's to be expected. So having a contract actually laid out in the very beginning that you offer to brands is very, very helpful. Honestly, the brand is supposed to have everything written and laid out for you so that you can read over it and either agree or disagree, or maybe you and your team, or even if it's just you right now with your blog, can read through it and see if you accept the terms. Being more professional with that process with working with brands is going to help you even more in the long run. Even if right now maybe you're getting some gifting from brands, maybe not actual paid money from the brand, it's still going to build your rapport. And definitely ask them for a testimonial, by the way, after you work with them, because you can use that in your media kit, which is basically like your blogger portfolio or your blogger resume. And I can definitely show you mine if you go to my website, chicaconfident.com. You can see my media kit to get kind of an idea of what it should look like. But I definitely have loved working with brands. It's been rewarding to connect with them and help small businesses grow. So this is totally a way you can make some hefty income with your blog, especially as time continues to go. Okay, the third thing I would say is affiliate marketing. So basically, this is a little different than brand sponsorships. You will have special links that you could link into your blog post, maybe your videos, maybe like something like a YouTube video like this. If you are actually paid with a special link to promote a business or a brand, you can share that affiliate link in the comment section or again in your blog post. And when your readers click on that link and go to whatever affiliate program you are involved with, if they purchase something through that program, maybe it's a special discount you have with your link, you get income from that. There's an amazing affiliate massive pool program. I say pool because it's like one big program that has tons of brands that come and meet and network in there. It's called AWIN. And I've loved AWIN. There's actually an application process you go through at the beginning, but it's really not super extensive. It's just very to the point and basic, and if you just read through the directions, it's super easy to do, but it's an amazing just platform to use to build more connections and find more brands that offer affiliate programs. So an amazing way to make some money online. It's a little more passive, just like the presets. I would say brand sponsorships is not exactly passive per se, and frankly, very few income is passive, but it is definitely an awesome way to build in some income and want to continue building your blog and being able to have some money set aside to invest back into your blog to make it better. All right, the fourth thing I would say is courses and consulting. So with courses, you can literally build an amazing course. Maybe you love Pinterest and you totally nerd out over that, and you have a lot of tips to share that have worked for you. You can make an actual course, and again, I mentioned Kajabi in one of my previous videos, how much I love Kajabi, but truly it makes it so much easier to produce content because the course section is built right into the Kajabi platform. so you can seamlessly create a course and share that with others and maybe charge $20 for the course. You will be surprised how much people desire and need their own courses they could keep, and it keeps them from having to scroll through tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of free content. Free content's great and some free content's super helpful, but there comes a time where sometimes it's just really nice to purchase your own course that is being taught on your own terms. So having a course for those who are seeking certain things that are maybe trending and hot, like Pinterest growth with blogging, anything at all, marketing, social media marketing, you can have courses that share tons of facts and information to help educate a blogger who needs this advice and who is seeking what you offer. So also that tags into consulting, which I put with courses because they kind of tag team each other. You can have a consulting side to your courses that is more one-on-one, you on the phone or maybe Skyping or Zoom, you know what I'm talking about, Zoom, with your clients, and you guys can talk through issues that they are personally having, and it's a lot more one-on-one, so it really helps you form a cool relationship with your followers in your audience. Okay, the fifth and final thing I will say is ebooks and guides. If you love to design things, I'm absolutely nerd out over designing guides and making courses and just really doing photo edits and all those fun things. So for me, making guides is pretty seamless and pretty much a no-brainer. I love using Canva. That's an excellent tool that's free online that you could use to make awesome guides. Ebooks, if you have a topic that you have a lot to talk about that maybe isn't served best in a video, make an ebook or maybe make an audiobook. That also is super helpful because audio is absolutely booming right now. And I do not see that changing anytime in the near future. So maybe make an Audible, make an audiobook so someone can hear the information and the amazing experience and tips and advice that you have. Ebooks are good too. I still love reading a hard paperback book. I love to read, but not everybody does love to read. So having a couple of different varieties of what could work for either or is gonna prove to be super profitable and helpful for you as a growing blogger. So these are the 5 tips that I would share with you. There's obviously a ton of, it's really unlimited what you can do online with selling digital products. It's pretty amazing actually, and it's great too because there's literally no overhead like there would be with physical products. So I love it. It's been amazing for me to be able to share my blog posts and do networking, connecting on top of actually making money from it. So having the support you need and being confident that you are capable and that your voice is unique is going to serve wonders for you in your business growth. So I love you. I look forward to talking with you in the next video. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Otherwise, Chica, how am I gonna know you liked it? All right, I will see you in the next video. We'll chat very soon. Besos.